Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, it's morning here. Okay, so today I'm using my new phone to vlog. Okay guys, so I put my SD card in there. Okay, so I just want you guys to tell me the quality of this phone, if the video quality is fine when I post this video. Just leave me a comment and tell me if the quality is fine. Okay guys, let's get into today's vlog. Okay guys, so today I'm first of all, what I'm going to be doing today actually is cutting. I want to cut my son's hair. Okay, Gabriel's hair. Okay, but I don't want to show you guys. He said doesn't want to be on the video, so I'm not going to put him. And I need to my daughter's hair that I said I was going to do yesterday, I didn't do it. Okay, so I
like
here.
Like and subscribe.
So yeah, so my son says you should like and subscribe. Yeah. And turn on your notification bell and share this vlog. Okay, so today is Tuesday 24. Today is 24, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
like
so I'm going to cut.
I'll draw my consequence.
Mr. Gabriel. Okay, guys. So I'm going to cut his hair, then Precious hair, before I probably go to the laundry later, or I'll see what is next. Okay, but I'll take you guys along. Okay, guys, please don't forget to share this video. Comment, subscribe, as my son said. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Alright guys, let's continue the vlog. Hello guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. I didn't want to say it before, but now that I've received it. Okay, so YouTube invited me for this YouTube Carnival thing. What did they call it again? Something YouTube Carnival something. So they sent me, it's by invitation only, guys. I'm so excited that YouTube invite me for all these things these days. I'm amazed. Okay, yeah, guys. So thanks to you guys watching my channel always. So they invited me for this YouTube Black Festival community thing. Oh, guys, I even forgot what it's called. Yeah, guys, I forgot what it's called. Carnival. They were supposed to be Notting Hill Carnival this year, but it was cancelled. So YouTube decided to put together a carnival for black YouTubers. Okay, but it's only by invitation only. So if you don't get the invitation, you won't be able to attend. So it's online anyway. It's online. So when they invite you, they will ask you the food you want and all that. So you choose what you want. I think the program is tomorrow or Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Is that tomorrow or on Thursday in the evening? So yeah, so they just sent me my, like you guys have seen, they just sent me my food now. So they ask you the food, if you want wine, if you want vegetarian, all those things. So it's going to be online. So I think this time around we are doing cook along. Okay, so we are doing cook along. So they just sent me my box. I don't know what is inside yet, but I just thought I would show you guys the box, you know. So I'm so excited. The other one I went last time was something YouTube 360 community something. I can't even remember. I have to go up to my email and check. And then this time around, that's where they invited me for this one. So as I say, it's only by invitation, and it's like a first come first serve thing. And also you can't transfer the link. It's not transferable, you know, so they have to invite you themselves. So I'm quite happy actually. I've seen Cici Yemi went to the same program. Cici Yemi, Kim Dave, and some other, even Nello KK, I think she has also gone to this. I saw her, was it last year or the other year? I saw them a similar program, similar thing like this. But this one, because there's no Notting Hill Carnival this year, so YouTube decided to put a carnival for us, okay, on the YouTube Black community. Okay guys, so I'm just excited. I don't know why it's in the box, but I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I think it's some food stuff. They say we have to cook along with someone. I don't know how that is going to work. I don't know if we have to cook the food or we have to wash the lady, cook, then we now go and cook it ourselves. I don't know if the food is already cooked. I have no idea. But anyway, they've sent me the food, and that's why it's in the box. It's food. I don't know what kind of food it is. Okay, guys, so I thought I would just share with you guys a bit. Okay, so I finished cutting my son's hair. He's going to have his shower now. I'm going to do my daughter's hair. She said she doesn't mind me showing you guys where I do her hair. So it's still morning. I haven't had my own shower yet. As you can see, I'm still in my pajamas. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to get myself dressed, ready, shower, and continue the day with you guys. Okay, please don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I'm just happy with this YouTube YouTube thing, YouTube Black. Okay guys, yeah, so that's why it's happening right now today for now. Okay guys, so we're going to be making Precious hair. She's here with me. So we are going to be making her hair now. Okay guys. Okay guys, so we are making the hair now. I'm just sectioning the hair before I start putting the cream on it. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay, I have to put my camera a bit far away because there's no place to, my big tripod is not here, so I'm using my small tripod. Okay guys, but I hope you guys can see what I'm doing though. Maybe I'll bring it closer in a minute. So let me just section the hair, and then I'll put the cream and I'll come back and show you guys what I've done. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I've put the texturizer. So I'm just trying to massage it now. As you can see, it's just on the root of the hair only. Okay, just thought I'll show you guys, just on the roots of the hair. That's what I'm putting the texturizer. Okay guys, just thought I'll show you guys what I'm doing right now with the hair. Okay guys, so I've washed the cream out of Precious hair. I'm just going to quickly use my Revlon bring the comb there. My is it Revlon? Revlon, yeah. To blow dry it. I've done the sister's hair as well, Ejiro's hair. I've done her hair, it's looking very pretty. I've cut the brother's hair as well, the Gabriel's hair. So Daddy has already done Blessing's hair already before. So I'm going to be using this comb to blow dry it. So today has been hair day because they are going back to school next week, isn't it? Everybody is going back to school next week, so try to make their hair. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this cream. I blow dry it, section into to blow dry it first. Put this cream in the bottom. I use cotton comb. Okay guys, so I just want to show you guys first before I start blow drying it. Okay. Okay guys, so Precious hair is done. Can you guys see how pretty her hair is? So it's done now. I'm just using the Revlon dryer just to comb it a bit. Okay guys, so that's our hair done. I'm just going to hold it and we are done with the hair. Why are you blocking it out like that? So the hair is done. Just going to hold it up. At least the hair is ready for school now. Just hold it up and it's done. She has a very thick, full hair. Although her hair tends to break a bit though, but nevertheless, it still grows quite a lot. It grows full. It's not as long as her sister's hair, but her hair grows very full. So see that she has nice edges, not like me who doesn't have any edges. You know, so her hair grows full. That's one thing about her hair. It doesn't grow that long like the sister's own grows long, but Precious one just grows full everywhere and thick. Okay, Precious, that's your hair done. So her hair is ready to be made now. I'm going to twist it, but not today. Kinky twist with hair extension. There. That's it guys, hair done. Hair done. Okay guys, so I'm going to the Photoshop to go and take passport photo for Gabriel here and Jiro. I want to renew their passport, so I'm going to go to Snappy to go and take their passport picture. And what else? I'm thinking if I should go to what do you call this shop where they sell food now? Tasty. Maybe I can get something to eat in Tasty as well. Okay, so we are all in the car here. Gabriel is here. Gabriel is there. So he doesn't want his face to show. He doesn't want to be in the video. Okay, guys, but Precious is there. Even though she's doing face like as if she has not entered video before. Jiro is in my back. Okay, guys, so I'm all glammed up, dressed up now. So we are off. Okay, so we'll see you guys when we get to the when we get to the Photoshop. Okay guys. Okay guys, so we are in Peckham. That's where Snappy is, and we're just walking. We've parked the car, so we are going to Snappy to go and take the passport photo. Okay guys, so let's go. So nice.
I know, I have your pin.
Pretty.
I have your pin because I do have.
Hi, you want to take a passport photo?
Yes.
Yeah, she and him, the two of them.
Yes, lovely.
How much is it though?
Is it British passport?
Yes, yes.
So £11.49, you get 4 pictures printed and a digital sent to your email.
Okay,
Yeah?
And we'll give you the code as well in case you want to do it online.
okay.
Alright?
Yeah, I'll do it online because I did our own online.
Yeah, so it's the easiest.
Yeah. Okay, Jiro, go and sit down.
Yeah.
Okay. So she's going to take a passport photo now. They got lovely photos in here. You're not crossing leg, you're taking passport photo. Put your leg down. Look at my daughter crossing her leg.
That's what I was hoping you would say. But take one up, but still, I'm still interested.
Stand straight.
So my name is Henry. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we are here. We are here now. Gabriel is over there somewhere. He's going to be taking his picture as well. Just to renew their passport photo. Okay, guys. Handsome. My son Gabriel can make me laugh.
Wait till I tell one of my school.
Yeah, now you took a picture, yes. You can tell everyone when you get to school that you took a picture. Looking handsome and cute. Okay, guys, so we are in the Photoshop. Let's see where we are. Everybody should say cheese. Say cheese. Sorry, guys, there's so much noise here. You guys should say cheese. Say cheese, precious. Jiro, say cheese. Gabriel, say cheese. Precious doesn't like cheese, but she likes tomatoes, burger, chips. Okay, guys, we are going home now. We are done. So I bought a phone case for my new vlogging phone. Okay, so I've taken their passport picture. So now we are going home, and I'm going to be ending the vlog of today. Okay, I just walk into the car. Okay, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The sun is right in my face. Wow. Give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, guys. Okay, let's go into the car. Alright, guys, hope you guys have enjoyed watching today. Please don't forget to let me know if my new phone camera is clear. I took it out now and it looks really good. Indoors it was looking a bit dull, but outdoor it looks so clear and sharp and crisp. Okay, so Gabriel, go on. Want to tell them to subscribe?
Yep, like and subscribe or else.
Alright, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? Wednesday. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Bye, guys. Don't forget my membership. Okay, and don't forget I go live stream Fridays and Saturday at 6:30 p.m. UK time. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.